the shaft on. And tack on the lever. Remembering that one of the washers goes in between the lever and the shaft insert. Place that screw in all the way. And go back. Once that's in all the way, we're gonna get our rag and we're gonna put it into place and get our pliers. And then we're going to tighten again, a snug tight, nothing too, no He-Man tightening, just nice and snug. Doesn't matter where you leave the lever, because when you connect the air, it'll go into start position, which is this position here. Okay. Get our front spout, put that into place with a clamp. We're going to go ahead and tighten. Whenever we tighten the clamps, we never use the tool. We always use our hands. We're going to go ahead and tighten this one as well. Also need to remember which hose goes where. Remember the blue one goes on the bottom with the adjustable valve, and the black one goes on top. Now after we put that on with the air hoses, we'll go ahead and put the plastic cover back in place. And also put the side screw back in there. When we tighten these top bolts in the plastic, we don't want to do it very hard at all. We want it to very light. Reason being is if we go too hard, we will crack the plastic. So when you tighten it very lightly. Make sure that's back in place. Then we get our lid back on. Making sure we get the gasket in place. I'm gonna have to move this guy. Again, making sure that the gasket is on right. We don't want to pinch it and create a cut on the gasket. And again, tighten it by hand. We're ready to go.